Hi, sir. I am Philip Kit Asabarte, your student in oral communication in context. I'm here to discuss one of the 7 models of communication. I choose the Berlos models of communication. We have already learned that Aristotle's model of communication placed the speaker in the central position and the one who drives the entire communication process. So the Berlos model of communication takes into account the emotional aspect of the message. So Berlos model follows the SMCR model. S is source, M is message, C is channel, and R is receiver. Berlos model of communication is composed of several factors under each element. The source is where the message originates. The person should have communication skills like the ability to read, write, speak, and listen to the right attitude towards the listeners, subject, and oneself. The individual must be knowledgeable about the topic he is communicating and the audience familiarity with it. In communicating, the social system must be considered such as the culture of the audience. The sender of the message from where the message originates is referred to as the encoder. Content is the body of message. From beginning to the end, like whatever the teacher teaches his students from the beginning up to the end, the speech must be accompanied by elements such as gestures, facial expression, or body language so that listeners will not lose interest. Treatment is the way one treats his message. One must understand the importance of the message, know how to handle it. Berl's model asserts that a message must be properly structured in order to convey it clearly. The code in this model refers to the means through which a message is sent and in what form. It could be the language, gestures, expressions, music, and so on. The code should be correct in the communication. Only when the code is clear, the message will be clear. The C in the SMCR stands for channel. Channel refers to the 5 sense organs: hearing, seeing, touching, smelling, and tasting. These 5 senses help human beings to communicate with one another. When the receiver message reaches the receiver, he tries to understand what the sender is trying to convey. This is also called decoding. So here are the factors of each element by Berlos' model of communication. S is source, M is message, C is channel, and R is receiver. C has a communication skills, attitude, knowledge, social system, and culture. Message has a content, element, treatment, structure, and code. So channel has a seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, and tasting. The factor of receiver is similar to the factor of the source, which is communication skills, attitude, knowledge, social system, and culture. That's it, and thank you.